that's shot, and I'm not exactly sure how I can really fix it. Honestly, the only way I would think is to completely replace this hub, which I really don't want to do. I would much rather be able to drill a hole through that and pin it. I think that'd be a better design. But I gotta see if I can't get that off. That's the problem. The way they made this darn thing is, you know, I don't know if it's because if these are aftermarket, because they probably are, but you can't get a regular socket over these things. That right there is gonna take a thin walled socket. It's not good. See, I got this right here to put over it, but this is just some flimsy junk. But I don't know what else to do, and I've already about bent it trying to turn it. This thing to just bend all up. That one broke free. One more and we're home free. Sort of. Alright. Okay, I've got another idea. So I'm gonna take some soft stuff like this. And I'm going to see if I can get that to grab. Okay. See if it will even take it. Tire's flat. Okay, let's see how that works. Should be good. Okay, let's see. Let's see what's happening. See if it can run with me on it. No. No, it gave up. I was afraid it was going to happen. Dang it. Well, heck. I'm going to have to revisit this problem because I'm about running out of daylight. I'll tell you what. This little thing right here is about to drive me nuts today. I don't know what the problem is with it. It's just one of them days, I guess. There we go. It's windy if you hadn't figured it out. Great. Alright, let's see if my bad boy tool will take that sucker off. Wow, that was on there, man, for a dang golf cart. Crazy. Okay, I got it. I got it. This is the old one. This is the new one. Splines are really good on this, so that'll solve my problem. Alrighty. I'm gonna put this on there tight like it was on the other one. All we have left to do is test it out. Let's test the dang thing out. Got my horse back. Got my horse back, Ellie Billy. Come on. Here's the tires up though. We're gonna go over here and check on Minnie's brand new baby. Yesterday, came out of the house. Ryan and I were gonna go cut some wood, and I heard something. So he said he didn't hear it. So we went and cut wood, and when we went and cut wood, I heard something again, and I knew something was up. So went and found what was going on, and it was Minnie having her baby. And let me get over here where I can get in easier. And she was struggling again. I really don't know what this thing does. It just starts looking somewhere else for some reason. Anyway, she was struggling, and hey, Minnie. Let me flip this around. So she was struggling. I had to go over there and I had to pull this baby. It was breech. It was completely backwards. And she's not had good luck calving. So nice to have her baby being okay. Hey, come here. I'm not going to get you. Come here. No, Chase. She's gonna go protect her baby because Chase is over here. Stay. Hey. Hey. Oh well. I don't know what she would have done if I wouldn't have come over there because that baby wouldn't have made it. But she's just miserable. Look at that. Look how big her sack is. Hey, can we look at your baby? Huh? Come here. Come here. Can we look at your baby? There's that little baby. All clean. Minnie, come here. Hey, come here. She don't feel good. She's always got something going on. I'm not gonna give you a shot. That's the problem with her. When she was growing up, I was the shot guy, and she always got shots with me. Oh, her such a good mama. Yeah, got a cute little baby over there. That's all you're worried about, that little baby. Let's see, she's got major problems with her lungs. That's a female. I keep seeing him. Hey there, little baby. Hey there, little baby. It's so cute. Looks like she's only been getting to the front. Her needs a baby to suck on the back. Okay, she's worried about the dogs. I'm gonna get out of her hair. Come on. You better leave that baby alone, man. He's not gonna let you mess with it.